Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to view user interface settings. Configurations of the touch panel user interface are made in this section. You can customize the interface by adjusting visual settings for the widgets and menus on the dashboard. Widgets are useful sections of the touch panel user interface that appear on the dashboard. Thanks to these widgets, user can directly access favorite scenes, favorite devices, security panel, intercom shortcuts, and RSS feeds on the dashboard. Click the box in the Enable column which widgets you want to display on the dashboard. Click button to save changes. Change the order with drag and drop after click and hold button in the Actions column. Info is always displayed on top and cannot be replaced. Click on the marked button to change the title and icon of the widgets. Change the title and icon of the widget in the pop-up window and confirm. Don't forget to save the changes. Menus are the items displayed on the dashboard of touch panel user interface. From these menus, devices, intercom system, security panel, scenes, automation recipes, concierge system, and third-party applications installed on touch panel can be accessed. Unused menus can be removed from dashboard. You can click and save which menu you want to be displayed on the dashboard in the user interface, and change the display order by clicking and dropping the relevant box. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.